So welcome to today's vlog. I already have my pan on fire. It's on low heat, yeah, and I'm going to be doing a one pot chicken, roasted chicken and potatoes. Okay, so if you want to know how I marinated my chicken, you can check in the description box. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, or you can go to my YouTube channel and check for the recipe. So this is how I did it, and I'm just going to simply fry this for 2 minutes on each side just to get something going before we pop it into the oven. So this has been marinating for an hour. You can marinate it for 30 minutes, anything goes. I think this is hot enough. It's on low heat. Yeah. Wow. Let me bring it to medium heat. Yeah. So I'm going to cook this 2 minutes on each side. Wow. So let's get this done, then we transfer to our baking sheet. Okay, so 2 minutes is done. This is what you are looking for on the side. So we're going to turn this. Yeah. This leaves a little more time to brown, so we're going to cook this. Okay. Turn this as well. When this is done, we're going to transfer all. So this is the nice color you're looking for, so I'm going to turn it off. Yeah. And here is my baking pan, which I've lined with aluminum foil. My oven is already preheated. And least I forget, guys, you know chicken can get so dry at times when you are roasting it in the oven. So we are not going to watch this pan whilst it's baking. When it's about 15 minutes baking, we're going to baste it with the oil in this pan to keep it moist. So let me transfer here. Wow. You need this kind, yeah. You just need to have this kind of texture, yeah. So let me add, there's a piece here, let me add it. And we are going to move here where our oven is. There we have it. I already have my diced potatoes with skin on, yeah. I have here about half a teaspoon salt, a tablespoon oil, because we're going to roast this. We need all the flavors. Yeah, and I have my powdered pepper here. We are just eyeballing this, yeah, depending on your taste or your preference. And we are going to mix all this up, and we are going to add it onto the tray. Okay, so this is it, guys. Let me show it to the screen. Yeah, so you have a fair view of it. Yeah. So we are going to roast this in the oven for 25 minutes. I'm doing this because of the thickness of the chicken. I want it to be well done. Okay, you guys remember the pan we roasted it in. We're gonna get all those juices onto the chicken. You can do it midway. That's when the chicken is like 15 minutes done. But let me just do it now to save myself some time. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven and rest. Okay, another thing, because the chicken was too much, I'm going to do this in batches. You guys remember the marinade we used? Yeah, you can just add some to this, because the marinade is so good. You need just to keep the chicken moist. And I'm going to pop this into the oven. Wow. And leave it for 25 minutes. See you guys. Okay, so this is done. Finally, let's turn this off and see what we have. Wow. The vapor alone, damn. Gotta be careful, guys. Wow, this is what we have. So please like and subscribe, and you guys, you gotta try this at home. It's so tasty, nutritious, very healthy. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.